In the recent past, there are few questions that are being asked on old franking machine, which is a part of PO Guide Part 1 in many examinations like MTS, Postman, PA and Typo and Group B examinations. So let us go through the topic. Okay. The cost of window delivery tickets is 9 rupees, 6 rupees, 3 rupees free of cost. The answer is free of cost. For being recognized valid, the impressions of frank should consist of value die only, value die license die, debit die and license die, none of these. The answer is value die and license die. It is old franking machine. In case of defects in franking machine, the machine should be repaired in the presence of devil head, SDH, postmaster, PRIP. The answer is PRIP. Window delivery ticket, franking machine register of postings, dispatch slip. While accepting the posting of franked articles, the production of which of the above mentioned records should be insisted upon by the post office? Answer 1 and 2 only, B 2 and 3 only, C 1 and 3 only, D all of these. The answer is all of these. The franked articles shall be posted in not more than specified number of offices, out of which the main office shall be post office above the status of LSGPO, head post office, class A, class B. The answer is LSG. Franking machine ledger, franking machine record book, register showing list of licenses of franking machines authorized to post their articles in the post office. The register showing payment of advance rentals. The main post office shall maintain which of the above mentioned records with regard to franking machine? A 2, 3, 4 only, B 1, 2 only, C 1, 3, 4 only, D all of these. The answer is all of these. All these 4 records should be maintained. The hired franking machine will be set or reset by an officer of the department not below the rank of subdivision head, PRIP, division head, head postmaster. It is PRIP, Public Relation Inspector. Which is the word used in the license die of a hired franking machine from the Department of Post to facilitate the identification of such letters of an official doc? Prepaid, service, paid, doc. Answer is service. Who is the competent authority to approve the slogans, advertisements on stamping die of the franking machine? Head of the division, head of the region, head postmaster, head of the circle. The answer is head of the division. An allowance will be made for any franked impression made in error on surrender of envelopes or wrappers, provided that impression is legible and that entire envelope is wrapper is produced after deducting 2% on face value, 3%, 5%, 10% on face value. It is 5%. An allowance will be made for any franked impression made in error on surrender of the envelopes or wrappers for a hired franking machine, provided that the impression is legible and the entire envelope is wrapper is produced and that the claim is preferred within 2 months from the date of impression, 5 months, 4 months, 1 month from the date of impression. The answer is 1 month from the date of impression. An allowance will be made for any franked impression made in error on surrender of envelopes or wrappers by holders of private franking machine, provided the impression is legible and the entire envelope wrapper is produced and the claim is preferred within 2 months, 5 months, 4 months, 3 months. It is 3 months from the date of first impression. Which of the following statement is incorrect about franking machines? 1. Franked articles bearing previous or later dates will be treated as unpaid. 2. Franked articles posted in letterbox will be treated as unpaid. 3. Franked articles bearing the frank of date immediately preceding the date of presentation of articles will however be accepted, provided they also bear impression of license die of the date of presentation. The given options are A 1 and 2 only, B 2 only, C all of these, D none of these. The answer is C all of these. All of these statements are correct. Maximum cutout labels bearing frank impression or impressions in full payment of postage and other fees permitted to be affixed on postal articles are A not more than 1, B not more than 2, C not more than 3, D cutout labels are not allowed. It is not more than 1. Who has the right to refuse or cancel a franking machine license without assigning any reason? Head postmaster, head of the postal division, head of the postal region, head of the postal division. It is head of the postal division. That is Superintendent of Post Offices or SSP. Which of the following statement is incorrect with regard to franking machines? Franking machine will be allowed up to any amount. There may be more than one impression of value die. There may be more than one impression of license die. D. Machine franked articles posted in letterbox shall be treated as unpaid articles. The answer is there may be more than one impression of the license die. That is incorrect. With the last dispatch of day or on the close of business hours of the day, the license of franked machines will be required to tender at the office of posting a duly filled in, signed and dated window delivery ticket, daily docket, door delivery ticket, identity card. It is daily docket. For identification of licensee's representative, each consignment of franked articles must be accompanied by a window delivery ticket, identity card, door delivery ticket, none of these. It is window delivery ticket. Machine franked articles can be posted at not more than A. 3 offices specified by SPOs in the license, 2 offices, 4 offices. There is no such limit. It is 2 offices. Who is the competent authority to issue license to franking machines? Postmaster, Superintendent of Post Offices, Director of Post Offices, Postmaster General. It is Superintendent of Post Offices. So these are the few questions that can be asked from the old franking part. Do subscribe to Career Post for getting the latest video. Click the bell icon. Thank you.